Gabriella, you have to listen to me. What you heard yesterday, none of that was true. I didn't mean any of it at all.
You sounded pretty convincing to me.
Then you didn't hear the whole thing. Gabriella, I was sick of all my friends fighting me about singing with you. And I said things I knew would shut them up.
Troy, the whole singing thing is making the school crazy. You said it yourself. Everyone's treating you different because of it.
Maybe that's because I don't want to be the basketball guy anymore. Gabriella, when I look into your eyes, it feels like I can be anybody who I want to be, without you putting any limits on me, you know?
But your dad, he said
This isn't about my dad. This is about me and how I feel. I'm not letting the team down. They let me down. I'm singing. What about you?
I don't know, Troy.
It feels so right to be here with you. Oh, and I'm looking in your eyes. I feel in my heart the start of something new. Living in my own world, didn't understand that anything can happen when you take